Hello students, my name is Ana Villalbazo and I'm one of the academic advisors here at Cochise College. Today I really want to tell you about a great tool that you can use to take charge of your education, and it's called My Degree Plan. You can log on to My Degree Plan at the portal my.cochise.edu. As you enter our portal at my.cochise.edu, you're going to see so many menus, you're going to see so many icons, but today we're going to focus on the My Degree Plan icon. My Degree Plan is a great tool, students, and I really want to encourage you to use it because here you'll be able to see all the catalog requirements for your certificate or your degree, and it's all in one place. As you enter My Degree Plan, you'll be able to see the header, and it'll have your Cochise ID number, which is very important, your name as it is in our records, and of course a menu or maybe just the name of the certificate or degree that you have chosen. If there are several options, go ahead and toggle on the one that you want to review today. Some of you are doing certificates that might be embedded into the degree that you have chosen. So especially like the AJEC A or the AJEC S, those will be embedded into your Associate of Arts or your Associate of Science. Right below your header, you'll be able to see other information that's personal to you. So for example, here you'll be able to see your GPA, who your assigned advisor is. You'll be able to see if your transcripts have been reviewed, they've been received, or if Cochise College has given you a degree already. It's a great wealth of information. For this video, we're going to choose the Associate of Applied Science Early Childhood Care and Education degree. This is a 60 credit degree. Most of our degrees are between 60 and 69 credits, but you can review your particular degree on My Degree Plan. Usually our degrees are divided into 3 parts: general education, the core, and the electives. Again, it varies by each particular degree, and you need to be able to review yours on My Degree Plan. As you scroll down, you're going to be able to see all the requirements for that particular degree. If you see a blue hyperlink, you can click it, and that means you have that option to take if that requirement has not been fulfilled. You'll be able to see if you have the prereqs to be able to take that class. Also, if you've already fulfilled that requirement, you'll be able to see the grade and the semester in which you took it. At the end of these 3 sections, you'll be able to see other information, for example, classes that weren't used in your degree, classes that you might have failed, or classes that you withdrew from. And you'll be able to see notes that you've had with previous advisors and meetings that you've had with them. There's so many other little things that you can see on My Degree Plan. I hope that you will go ahead and log on today, click, get to know your degree, your certificate. Remember to reach out to us, email us, advising@cochise.edu. We're here for you, and we really want you to finish. Go ahead and take the driver's seat of your education.